Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this very exciting and powerful video of algebraic challenging equations and expressions, we are going to take up two algebraic expressions in this video. Problem number 1. If x over x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to 5 given, then find out the expression value x square over x power 4 plus 3x square plus 1. And second problem is 14 times a square plus b square plus c square. If it is equal to a plus 2b plus 3c whole square, then what would be the ratio among the three a, b, c? If you want to attempt or you want to try by your own, take a pause and then cross check your answer. So let's get started. Problem number 1. I will consider the given equation first. Just check if x is 0, x equal to 0 is solution or not. So I will put here x equal to 0. So 0 over 0 square is 0. 3 times 0 plus 1. Left hand side is 0 over 1. That means 0. Right hand side is 5. That means x cannot be equal to 0. So we are free to divide our equation by x equal to 0. So let me divide numerator and denominator with x. Okay. What we will get? 1 over x plus 3 plus 1 over x equal to 5. Now I will take the reciprocal of this equation. What does it mean? If 1 over a equal to b, then any time we can write a is equal to 1 over b. So a is reciprocal of 1 over a and b is reciprocal of 1 over b, or 1 over b is the reciprocal of b. Now I will write x plus 1 over x plus 3, our denominator in the numerator. So in right hand side I have to consider 1 over 5. Take away 3 from both sides. So I will write x plus 1 over x equal to 1 over 5 minus 3. So 3 I can write 1 over 5 minus 15 over 5. Now denominator is same. I will write 1 minus 15, so minus 14 over 5. So x plus 1 over x value is negative 14 over 5. Now come to our required expression value. See, if x is non-zero, so we can divide this expression which is asked by x square. Okay, let us divide. See what will happen after that. I will get 1 over x square plus 1 over x square, last term, plus 3. This value is asked. And what is known? X plus 1 over x equal to minus 14 over 5. Now it is normal question, I guess. Why? Because we have solved number of problems based on that. So what I will do from here, I can write 1 over x square plus 1 over x square plus 2. So now it is x plus 1 over x whole square. And what is left extra? That is 1. Now you can see this term is x plus 1 over x whole square, this bracket only. So what I will do now, I will write x plus 1 over x is equal to minus 14 over 5, known. And we have to find out 1 over x plus 1 over x whole square plus 1. Let me write here. X plus 1 over x whole square plus 1. This value we have to find out, where we know the value of x plus 1 over x. It is minus 14 over 5. Let's put the value and find out our expression answer or evaluation. So I will write 1 over minus 14 over 5 whole square plus 1. In next step, I will write 1 over 14 square is 196, 5 square is 25, minus square is plus. So this will become our expression value. Now I will consider the LCM. So how I can take? I will write 1 over 196 over 25, then I will write 25 over 25, this 1. Now denominator is identical, I will simply add our fractional value. So 1 over 196 plus 25, so it would be 221, and denominator is 25. Now 1 over b, it is equal to b over a. So our final answer becomes 25 over 221. Done. Now come to problem number 2. It is equally interesting as problem number 1. You can see it is 14a square plus b square plus c square. Right hand side we have a plus b plus c whole square formula. So let us write first a plus b plus c whole square identity. It is equal to a square plus b square plus c square, then 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Let's use it. Right hand side, we will write our left hand side also after expansion. So it will become 14a square plus 14b square plus 14c square. This is our left hand side. Now come to RHS. I will write a square is a square. Now in place of b it is 2b. So I will write 2b whole square, that is 4b square. In place of c it is 3c whole square, so 9c square. Now 2ab, 2 times a times 2b. So I will write 4ab plus 2bc, 2 times 2b times 3c. So it will become 12bc. And last term would be 2ca, 2 times a times 3c. So 6ac. Now I will consider all the term to LHS one side. See what will happen after that. 14a square minus a square. So 13a square. 14b square minus 4b square. 10b square. 14c square minus 9c square. 5c square. And after that, the remaining terms with negative sign. 4ab minus 12bc minus 6ac equal to 0. Now what is this? How we can find out ratio? So we have to target only these terms. 4ab, 12bc and 6ac. See, this is the most important clue. Now if I will consider a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, then a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it is indicating 2a minus b whole square. Check. 2a whole square, we will check little later. What about 2 times ab term? So 2 times 2a times b. So that is 4ab. Similarly, from this term, we can write something minus something whole square. So I will consider 3b minus 2c. 3 times 2, 6, 6 times 2. Formula 2 whole square. Just see. It is looking like that. We will manipulate, cross-check the a square, b square, c square term little later. And third term, if you will see, we can consider this is a minus 3c whole square. Just check how it is because of 3c, a minus 3c or 3a minus c. It should be 3a minus c because a square term is, see, you can see it is greater. So I will write here 3a minus c only. Now we will manipulate the things. See, 2a square, that means from here we will be having 4a square, and see, from here we will be having 9a square. 4a square, 9a square, 13a square. Then I can split 3b square, 3b whole square, that means 9b square, and from here we will be having 1b square. So you can manipulate the b square, a square terms, but clue of ab, bc, ca is only here. So ultimately what we are having, I will write 2a minus b whole square plus 3b minus 2c whole square plus 3a minus c whole square equal to 0. Now you can check Sum of three squares equal to 0. When it will be 0? When individual brackets must be 0. Okay, so conclusion is 2a equal to b or b equal to 2a. Then 3b equal to 2c. Then c equal to 3a. So what is asked? A is to b is to c. So let me write here. Let me change this color so that you can see. In place of a, we will write as it is a. In place of b, we will put this value 2a it is. So I will write 2a. In place of c, we will write 3a, third result. So I will consider 3a. Now divide with the a. So what will be answer? A is to b is to c equal to 1 is to 2 is to 3. So this is our final answer. I hope you like this video. It will be somewhere helpful to you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care.